So I have here a flowering Podocarpus, or a Chinese Yew, or the Buddhist Pine. It's the name I like best, so I'm going to call it a Buddhist Pine. It's been trained in an S shape, which I always find interesting because you actually do see that in nature sometimes, but it's kind of cool to see it done at this scale. It's got really nice pads going through this tree. Obviously, there's really nice root development, nice moss going up it, so there's a nice health to the tree. You can see all mossy. That's good on a tropical tree because this needs to be kept quite humid to be happy. But this is going to get some yellowy new growth that's going to darken to a pinkish then purplish with fruits all over it as the year progresses. It's a really unique tree. It's not something we get very much here in the Northeast, as it's obviously a tropical tree. So this one does not like to be cold. Keep this indoors over the winter. It makes a good indoor tree over the winter, but when it's hot and humid, it does want to be outside to get some of this lusciously beautiful sun that it could soak up and get this nice new growth. All this new growth because it loves the humidity and the sun here in August in New York.